When you collect a payment such as cash outside of Guesty, you record it to ensure the reservation's payments are accurate and up to date. If you need to refund a recorded payment but entered the wrong amount or need to choose a different date, follow these steps. First, sign into your Guesty account. In the top navigation bar, click the Mode selector and select Financials mode. Next, click Reservations. Select the relevant reservation from your list. In the top banner, click on Payout Status. Scroll down to the Payment section and locate the relevant refund. It should display Refunded under Status and Recorded Payment under Transaction Type. Choose Refunds and click Edit Recorded Refunds on the right. Make the necessary changes to the refund details, such as the amount and date. For example, if you initially recorded a refund as being paid in credit but need to change it to cash, you can update the payment method, amount, and date here. Once you have made the changes, click Save. And that's it. You've successfully edited a recorded payment refund in Guesty. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our Help Center. Thanks for watching.